Imagine a machine screaming down the main straight at over 300 kilometers per hour. That raw, earth-shaking power starts with a single spark. But what exactly is burning inside that engine? Is it some kind of secret rocket juice? Or is it closer to what you pump into your car? Welcome to CodeMechanic. Today, we are diving deep into the sophisticated engineering and regulatory nuances of Formula One fuel. You might be surprised to learn that under FIA regulations, F1 fuel is actually 99% identical to commercial pump gasoline. The rules are strict. To keep the competition fair and relevant to road cars, the fuel must follow the same basic chemical structures found at gas stations. Currently, every team uses E10 fuel, a blend of 90% fossil fuels and 10% renewable ethanol. However, it's that final 1% where the magic happens. Engineers optimize the blend down to the specific molecule for every race weekend. They adjust the chemistry based on the altitude of the track, the humidity, and even the specific temperature of the air entering the engine. In F1, fuel isn't just energy, it's weight. And weight is the ultimate enemy of speed. Teams are limited to exactly 110 kilograms of fuel per race. There is no refueling allowed during the pit stops. This means the fuel must be incredibly energy dense. Every drop needs to deliver maximum power while being as light as possible. Drivers often have to lift and coast, letting off the throttle before a corner to save fuel, balancing aggression with efficiency to reach the finish. It's a high-stakes game of thermal efficiency. The goal is to convert as much chemical energy as possible into kinetic energy without wasting heat. But the biggest change is yet to come. By 2020-6, Formula One plans to switch to 100% sustainable fuels. These fuels will be drop-in replacements, meaning they can run in existing engines, but without using a single drop of new fossil carbon. They are created using carbon capture technology, or from non-food by essentially recycling carbon already present in our atmosphere. This isn't just for racing. F1 acts as a giant laboratory for the world, developing technology that could eventually power your own road car. So, the magic of F1 fuel isn't about illegal additives or secret ingredients. It's about the pinnacle of refinement and optimization. Every milligram is calculated. Every molecule is placed with purpose, all to shave a few thousandths of a second off the lap time. Next time you see an F1 car scream past, remember, the liquid in its tank is the most advanced gasoline on the planet. Thanks for watching.